Good morning, class. We're continuing to review the regions of Georgia. Today, we're going to review the Piedmont region. Remember, our learning target is I can identify and describe the different regions of Georgia and ask questions about the plants and animals that live there. Can you find the Piedmont region of Georgia? It's right here in the middle. This region begins at the foothills of the Appalachian Mountains and ends at the fall line. Piedmont means foot of the mountains. This region is made up of gently rolling hills. The upper region has dark, loamy soil. Dark, loamy soil is good for growing crops. The lower region has orange clay. I bet you can make a connection here. When you go outside and play on the playground or in your yards, you see orange clay. That's because we live in the Piedmont region of Georgia. Animals of the Piedmont region. The Piedmont region is home to many animals. Here are just a few creatures you can find in this region: wild turkeys, otters, and bats. I bet if you think, there are some animals that we also know live in the Blue Ridge Mountains in the Appalachian Plateau that also live in the Piedmont region. Those include raccoons, mice, and deer. Pigeons also live here. Plants of the Piedmont region. These are some of the plants you can find growing in the Piedmont region. The Georgia pines. If you look outside our classroom window, you will see Georgia pines. They're thin and they grow very tall. The Cherokee rose. It's a white flowering plant. Also azaleas. We see these a lot in the Piedmont region. And also, if you watch television or the Masters, they have beautiful azaleas. Some facts about the Piedmont region of Georgia. This region makes up 30% of the state in population. That means that is where most of the people of Georgia live. It is where the capital of Georgia is. That's Atlanta. That's where we live, in the suburbs of Atlanta. This region has the most people. Why do you think more people live here? I believe more people live here because we live in a very, very big city. Now, you can turn and talk with your group about what you learned about the Piedmont region of Georgia.